We officially leave in less than 24 hours. Let's get it. We made our first stop and we had to get some snacks. Okay, we have like 6 more hours left. Saint T's in the back. Look at his little setup. I bought this little pet thing off Amazon and he hates it. We made it! New home! My roomie number 1, roomie number 2, and roomie number 3. Here's our little setup right now. Apartment's looking a little bit crazy. We got some poke. That looks really good.
I moved around.
This is so exciting! Oh my god! Our new room! First stop of the day, pick up my bed frame. And my mattress isn't even coming in until tomorrow, so we're gonna sleep on an airbed today. We are currently here picking up my bed from the IKEA warehouse. It's been a long day, y'all. Still have to clean the apartment, clean my room, deep clean my bathroom, and then I have orientation tomorrow. Here's the moving outfit. It's vlogging right there.
Oh, sorry. That's the main attraction.
There, wait. First thing checked off the list, we secured the bed, y'all. Next stop, clean the bathroom, organize my room, head to IKEA, head to Target, and then we're done.
Is it in your head?
No, we're good. After a very unsuccessful Costco and Target run, we're at IKEA now. I just have to get a mirror. Mirror. Check. Today has been a long day. We're both exhausted, but we got our mirror. We're picking up some pillows from Costco. Oh. Okay, she got the pillow. We're heading out, getting gas. See y'all later. Update on the room.
I run so fast.
She runs really fast. It's coming together. You gonna say anything else?
I'm out of here.
Oh, she's out of here. I just got back from my orientation. I didn't vlog it because it was like a whole long 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. type of situation. But I'm gonna show you guys the current room layout one more time before we figure out what we want to do, because my mattress is finally coming in. I have a full-length mirror now. I don't know if I ever showed you guys that yesterday or not. I have my vanity, which I don't know where I want to put because it's pretty long. And then we're gonna get to building my nightstand. It's like super easy to build, honestly. It's an acrylic.
Way.
What? It's an acrylic nightstand.
Is this the one you showed me?
No, nightstand is done. Here's what it's looking like. Super simple. He's being a hater and he thinks it looks funny, but I like it. I'm so excited for my little mushroom lamp. I've been waiting for this. Look how cute. Yeah, this is gonna go on the nightstand. Cute. Let's plug it in and let's see what it looks like. It's a USB. It's a USB plug and I don't have a USB box. Okay, anyways, here's the vision of the nightstand and the lamp with no light on it yet. Mattress is coming in today, so we can finally get the room somewhat together. It's a mess. Guys, my mattress came in. This is literally the first time I have a mattress. A brand new mattress. Okay, we rearranged the room. I put the bed and the nightstand there, and the desk over here. Out of breath. We moved the mirror over here. There's just like a lot more floor space overall. I do still need to clean my closet. Look how messy the closet is. Thanks, Mom. Why do you look like that? You look creepy.
Really? Every time like I was in the
Can I hold it? What?
Wait, can I touch it?
Okay, but it's very proud of you. Don't do too hard. Want to high five it? Cheers.
Say hi, Sainty. Are you gonna miss mom? Are you gonna miss mommy? Packing up a little bit more boxes. It's been about 2 weeks since I last did part 1 of my move, but I'm packing up a little more. Today is technically my last day here in the Bay. I actually drive down tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. so I'm doing all my last minute packing stuff right now as we speak. Yeah, let me show you the cute little going away basket my friends got me. It comes with a cute little card, mug, comforter blanket, and then some green tea masks and these get ready with me headbands. Okay. I'm so overpacking. Gonna get some rest because we're leaving in 5 hours. We made it finally after a good 10-hour travel day. Let's unpack all this stuff. We have a trunk full of stuff too. And I'm tired. Okay, we had a quick little power nap. Now we're gonna get to unpacking all the stuff that I brought from home. I'm literally so tired and I look actually crazy. So I made a little to-do list of things that I want to do by tonight. First, I need, okay, so the last time I was here, I think that's part 1 of this vlog, I didn't get a chance to disinfect everything, so I want to do that today. And I need to wipe down my little vanity. And then I need to unpack my shoes, unpack my clothes and organize my clothes and put them on hangers. And then once everything's all done, we're gonna vacuum the bedroom and I think that's it. It's kind of a lot. I feel like it's gonna take a couple hours, so we'll see if we even have time for breakfast, but I'm for dinner. Okay, we ended up getting not takeout, we got pizza. We did a mushroom pizza with pepperoni and then some chicken wings. This is a setup because we don't have a dining table, so. Rise and shine, it's a new day. It's Drake Day. We are about to head out, get some coffee, tour the campus because I have yet to do that, and then we're gonna head back to LA, go to the concert, and yeah. This is the Drake fit for the night. I have no clothes and I didn't know what to wear, so we're just wearing this. You're so cute. Cheers! Cheers, vlog. Oh, they're here. Oh, that's good. Sit. Good boy. We have a little treat for Saint. We went to this dog little store and they had cookies and dog treats and dog toys and stuff. Look what we got. It's a burger cookie. Sit. Good boy. Okay, he's gonna leave. Oh. It's a burger cookie. Okay. We're having hot pot night. Hot pot and Korean barbecue night. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of the things we got from H Mart. First, we got enoki mushrooms. So we got this one. We got these ones. We got broth for a hot pot. We got mixed fish cakes, more fish cakes, and these I've been trying to find, but they don't only have them at H Mart, I guess. Cheese tteokbokki, Asian Chinese sausage, and firm tofu.
You want some rice?
Last night with my parents.
I'll put some meat.
Here we go.
First day of school. Here is the outfit of the day. Super basic. We're running late. I literally didn't even get to make my coffee, but cheers, good morning. Oh, not Ed Sheeran coming on. I already know this whole parking situation is gonna be so bad, so. Okay, I just finished doing my hair because it was so flat and it looks so much better. I used my bedhead wave crimper. I gotta be out of the house by 3 o'clock. I think I'm gonna change instead of wearing like my cardigan that I was wearing because it is 85 degrees outside. This is my outfit of the day. I rolled my shorts up so they fit a little bit better, but we're about to head out to class number 2 for the day, and I'll probably see you guys after. I think I'm gonna walk around campus after and just kind of explore the school a little bit if I have time. I feel like I might be really lazy though because this is damn near a 3-hour lecture. Alright guys, back home. I went to my marketing class. It wasn't bad. Before coming into each class today, I was so freaking nervous and anxious. So if you're a transfer student transferring to a Cal State University or any college at all, like just know you're not alone. I think next week we have like Club Rush week and all that, so that's like when all the tents come out, I think. So I'm gonna be putting myself out there hopefully a little bit more. Yeah, thanks for coming along with me. If you're still watching the video, shout out to you because this is a journey that like, I don't know, it's a whole new journey for me and it's a lot. So, see you guys tomorrow. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my.
Happy birthday, Rumi! We are at Hot Pot. Mark literally gets to eat free for his birthday, period. The girls are here! Ah! We're at Inside Out in San Diego at this cute little Valentine's Day restaurant. Look how cute everything is. I'm gonna share like happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, this is our nightly routine. So this is what I use for my cleansing oil. Wait, where'd it go? If you're not on Korean skincare, you need to get on Korean skincare. It's so cute. It's the Centella Skin 1004 Centella cleanser. And I'm gonna rinse my face now. Oh my god. Oh, also I just got my lashes done because Alicia's here and I got my lashes filled a little bit.
Nightly routine, face is clean, makeup is off. Don't forget to take your makeup off if you go on a night out. You're not gonna regret it. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Day 2. Today we are going to PB. Where are we, guys?
We're at the beach in...
Oh no! She's running.
Hey guys, we're here with our new VP of Marketing and Limited Business. We're at the banquet.
Look how cute everyone looks. So yellow. It's cool. I love it.
Welcome to Sammy's Wed Series.
Woo! Good morning. It's me again. Okay, crazy thing. I don't even know where to start because I haven't picked up this vlog camera in a really long time, but I decided to vlog today because I am an intern for Women in Leadership at my school, and we're having our huge, oh my god, we're having our huge spring conference today, and I was like, let me take you guys along with me. If anything, I feel like I'm just gonna turn a whole bunch of like vlog footage that I have into like one big vlog of my life in San Diego. I'm a marketing intern, so I'll be managing like social media and stuff, which is like super exciting, but I just like wanted to bring you guys along with me, and for my own like memory like sake. I love vlogging like pretty important parts of my life because it's so fun to look back at. Like, I'm imagining the day that I'm like actually working my big girl job and I look back and I'm like, oh my god, remember when I interned for so-and-so, you know? I don't know, I feel like it's super exciting. It's been hard for me to vlog out here just because I've been so busy. Someone was like on Instagram, yeah, you should vlog more because I really want to see like, you know, your life as a transfer student to San Diego. I'm gonna see what footage I can get, honestly. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to get a lot today just because I'll be running around the entire day. So let me park and I'll see you guys inside the venue. Hey guys! It's zooming in. Leadership conference! Can you say because I don't want to like freak her out. Am I going out for my OOTDs? Yeah, really weird.
I love movies. I'm a lover girl. Like my brand is being in love, but I think rooted in that is my brand is feeling something.
Oh, I love that. That was so follow and subscribe and comment. Oh, period.
Am I doing your picture or am I not allowed? 1, 2, 3.
We're done, guys. The conference went so well. Seeing things from like more of like the internal side and like less attendee side was such a new experience. I thought it was so fun, and if you've watched in my past videos, like I love making videos so I can look back at like all these memories and all these different like milestones in my life. Officially back in my bed, guys. Today has been the longest day of life. Yeah, anyways, totally lost track of what I was saying, but I feel like it's such a great event that SDSU puts on every single year, and this was our 8th annual spring conference, and I think it was such a great turnout. But I don't know, it's been so fun and I've been loving it, and I just hope you guys have been able to kind of like get a little mini recap of my life in San Diego. I feel like I literally just threw a whole bunch of content in this one video. A little bit of questions of people like wondering what it's like to transfer or to just move, and yeah, this is what it's like. It's super fun and I've been enjoying it. So I'm gonna take a fat nap and I will probably see you guys in a couple days.